Hi, I'm Dave Epstein. Welcome to this edition of Growing Wisdom. Today we're talking about feeding the birds. Well, one of the things that you might like to do, that I do, is feed the birds. I just love it in the winter. It's a great opportunity to get a little bit of life in the garden. If there is a lot of snow on the ground, it just doesn't seem quite as bleak outside. Now, you can use all sorts of things to feed the birds, but I want to talk today about shelled peanuts. So I like using shelled peanuts a lot for several different reasons. Number one is, of course, they attract a lot of different birds. So I've got all sorts of woodpeckers. The flicker comes here. We've got the nuthatches. You've got the titmice. All of those birds love the shelled peanuts. The other thing that I like about it is the container that the shelled peanuts are put in. It's actually sort of squirrel proof. I'm sure many of you have a story where the squirrel knocks down the peanut feeder and then eats all the peanuts, but the holes are so small that it's really hard for the squirrel to get in there, so I find that the squirrels don't really bother it. So I do have to fill it probably every couple of days, but the birds absolutely love it. I've placed this particular feeder outside my office window, and the shelled peanuts look simply like this. You can get shelled peanuts at most stores that sell bird food. I tend to get the 50-pound bag. It's quite expensive, but it lasts a long time. So shelled peanuts in a peanut feeder. Birds love it, squirrels have a tough time with it, and you're sure to get days of enjoyment. For Growing Wisdom, I'm Dave Epstein.